And here is what they look like. These actually announcement will be a part of the giveaway. These, those, the next ones. So comment under those videos with 3 hearts and your Instagram name, TikTok name, or your email if you don't have social media, so that I can randomly select for each set a winner. So like I said, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, leave your names at the bottom for me to be able to get in touch with you. So yeah, I'll let you know you won on YouTube, but I need another form of communication so that you can send it out. So Instagram, TikTok, or email with 3 hearts under each video that you would like of the 5 pieces. So you can enter for all 5 if you would like, but I need 3 hearts, TikTok, Instagram, or email under each one that you're trying to enter into. And I will be selecting winners. Don't miss out. Now for the 1,000, it will be something different, but I'm pretty sure I'll still give away 20 pieces. These are 20 and 24 pieces. Sorry for holding you up this long. Again, this is how you enter the giveaway. Good luck to everybody. And if you would like to purchase any kind of press-on set from me, or if you would like to book me, you could also DM me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, TikTok, if you don't have that, email me or leave me a comment and we'll make it do what it do. Like I said, good luck. Thank you for entering. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing Christmas and New Year's. I will be having videos for the rest of December, so stay tuned for that. And again, thank you.